Hey guys, welcome back to the Keelaville. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be making homemade crab cakes. So here I am chopping down some spring onion, and then I've already chopped down green pepper, red pepper, and regular onion. I'm going to chop those down and get them into the mini processor. And then we'll go ahead and add the other ingredients from there. So once I have all of my vegetables in, I'm going to go ahead and add some mayo. This is about 2 tablespoons of mayo. And then I'm going to crack in 1 egg. And then I'm going to add in some spicy mustard, about 1 tablespoon. I'm going to drizzle in some Old Bay seasoning. And then I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning. And then I'm going to add my kick. This is going to add the heat to my cakes, and this is red pepper flakes. And then I'm going to drizzle in some dried parsley. You can add fresh parsley if you have it. This is what I had, so this is what I added. And then we're going to put in a little bit of lemon juice, and we're going to blend these together. So now that I have that blended, I'm going to go ahead and bring over the crab meat. Now you can see that I already have the crab claw meat in. I'm going to add the lump meat on top of it. So I use 2 containers, and then I'm going to add in a little breadcrumbs here. And that's going to give it the consistency it needs to stick together. And I'm going to drizzle that over the crab meat. Now, when you stir this and mix it, you want to be gentle with it. I like lumps, big chunks. So try not to disrupt the meat too much. You're going to just gently or lightly mix it together. Okay, you can see here I am mixing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this away for later. Okay guys, so it is later and I am ready to prepare my crab cakes for eating. I'm going to go ahead and bring the mix out of the fridge. It was probably in there for about 4 hours. And I'm going to just gently mix again. And you want to take, I would say palm size, and roll it into a ball. Flatten it down, and there you have it. This batch that I made is going to make about 6, well, it is going to make 6 cakes. You can choose to use less meat to make smaller cakes. These are just for me. So the bigger the better. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my oven. It is going to be on broil at 450 for 12 minutes. Again, broil 450 at 12 minutes. All right, guys, so my cakes are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out of the oven. And while I'm doing that, you'll notice that the parchment paper is no longer there. So about halfway through baking, I use the parchment paper to flip the cakes over, and that just makes for easy flipping. And that's how you get the one on the end there that's disrupted. It wasn't ready for flipping, but I'm gonna take 2 for now, and I'm gonna put the rest away for later. Let me just tell you guys, I love this recipe. They're just so good. When I tell you so good, and they're all for me. My family doesn't really enjoy seafood the way that I do, so I get to have it all to myself. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, which is amazing. And silly me to try to eat that right now. Of course it's hot, silly girl, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. Yes, delicious. So in this photo, you'll see here also that I added a little Haitian pickles on top. This is just amazing. Enjoy.